Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're going to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R730xd. In this video we're going to specifically focus on the different types of chassis. Let's get going. Well, hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R730xd. Do us a favor, if you find anything in this video useful, click that like, smash that subscribe. All right, so this video is going to continue our series, and we're going to specifically focus on the different types of chassis. There are actually 3 different types of chassis for the R730xd. We're featuring 2 here because these are the 2 predominant ones that you're going to see. There's a unicorn one that with all the 730xds we've ever sold, I've actually never seen this chassis, so we'll talk about that one last. But the 2 main ones that you're going to see are the small form factor and large form factor option. The small form factor option is 24 bays in the front with 2 bays in the back if you get the rear kit. The large form factor option is 12 drives in the front and 2 small form factor in the back to get you a 12 plus 2, which is a 14 and a 26 for the overall slots that you could put drives into. Okay, one of the differences with the XD 730xd compared to just the regular 730 is because you install the rear kit in the back that gives you the 2 additional hard drive slots, you remove 1 PCIe slot. So with the 730 you get 7 PCIe slots. With the 730xd you get 6, and that gives you 3 high profile and 3 low profile. So if you're ordering cards for your 730xd, realistically you probably have enough slots that you don't have to worry too much about the bracket. But if you got all your high profile already filled up, make sure you grab a low profile, and vice versa. So just make sure you get the right bracket. But the fact that they have both options on there, generally speaking, you're probably going to be all right. Okay. Now that's the really only differences of the chassis. So I do want to show you the insides as a whole. Obviously the series is going to cover so much that you can really learn about each individual part, but I do want to do a quick overview and just show you the different areas inside, and then we're going to show you just the front and the back so you can see all the different ports as well. Let's get going. Alright, so we're just going to pop our latch open to get inside, and we're going to point out some of the different features of the R730xd. So here's going to be your air baffle. We've talked about the air baffle in a couple of the other episodes in the sense of, hey, it shows a lot of information on here, CPU 1, CPU 2, all the DIMM slots. We're going to remove it, just pull it straight up. This is going to show you, hey, there's the 2 heat sinks, the 24 DIMM slots. It's going to show you fan bank. Back here even further is going to be your back plane that all the drives plug into. If you follow it further down, we have our RAID card installed over here. We have our NIC card installed in the back. You have your different risers to install cards, such as right now we have an NVMe kit installed, which has the card and the cables running to the back plane. Here's the rear kit where you can install 2 extra small form factor drives, which is a whole kit that is not normal. That includes cabling and everything to get it. Those are kind of the general features. You also got 2 hot swap power supplies that are under the rear kit, which we'll show you the different ones that you can get on those. So that's just kind of the overall heart of the system, and we'll, for the most part in this series, kind of touch base on each individual thing to show you the different options, the maxes, all that good stuff. So now we'll show you the actual back so you can see all the different ports, the PCIe slots, and then we'll show you the front as well. Alright, so here's a quick snapshot for you of all the ports in the back. So you're going to have your iDRAC connection. You're going to see here's your 3 low profile PCIe, here's your 3 high profile PCIe, here's the 2 spots for your rear kit where you can install small form factor drives, SSDs in there, your dual hot swap. Here's your NIC down here. Basically there's all the different options that you have, and then we'll show you the front as well, so you can see all the USB ports and all that good stuff as well. Alright, so we stack these on top of each other so you can see the just the fronts as well. So you'll see you have a USB port over here. You can plug your monitor in, your power button, and then all of your actual bays for the hard drives, 12 for the large form factor, 24 for the small form factor. So really the front is pretty simple, but again, wanted to show it up close for you. Now this really concludes the different chassis video. If you liked it, do us a favor, click that like and smash that subscribe. And if you guys are using R730xds in your data center, or really any servers, we would love the opportunity to quote you. We specialize in Supermicro, Dell, HPE, Cisco, you name it. So email us at sales@cloudninja.com. That's sales@cloudninja.com. Appreciate you stopping by. Take care, guys.